Before we jump in, quick disclaimer. This video is based on publicly available information and analysis. I have not bought a Plannora display, and this is not sponsored. I'm doing this to help you spot suspicious products before they drain your wallet. So, what is Plannora Display claiming to be? According to the website, it's a smart family organizer, a wall-mounted touchscreen hub for calendars, reminders, and tasks. The site promises features like a 4K touchscreen, multi-user profiles, syncing with Google and Apple calendars, AI-powered smart reminders, and customizable themes. Sounds like a personal assistant for your wall, right? But let's pause and put on our skeptical hats. Here's why you should be cautious. First up, there are no credible external reviews. I couldn't find any verified reviews from Reddit, forums, tech blogs, or YouTube from real buyers. All the testimonials and survey results come from the same website, no third-party verification. For a product that supposedly ships worldwide, that's a huge red flag. Also, the site uses big discounts like 65% off and Black Friday sale, plus limited stock and sold-out labels, classic pressure tactics. The website also claims survey stats like 93% felt more organized and 89% of parents reduced mental load, but there's zero methodology, dates, or references. If you take a closer look, there is no public company address, no verified manufacturing details, no independent warranty information. There's no way to confirm that this product exists in real life. No unboxing photos, no real user videos, nothing outside the website itself. To crown it all, the promotional videos are overly polished and generic. There are no real demonstrations of actual users interacting with the device. For a touchscreen family planner, that's highly suspicious. So, what does this mean for you? Treat Plannora Display as unverified and possibly a scam. Until there's solid proof, real buyer reviews, unboxing videos, hands-on demos, don't hand over your money. Plannora Display has too many red flags to trust. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Save your wallet and wait for a verifiable, trustworthy product before jumping in. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks.